day is finally here. I am so excited about this video, and of course it is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. These are brand new from Samsung. They've only just come out. They were released today to the public, so you can pick them up on Samsung.com, and the price on these are £219 or $199. So they are slightly more expensive in the UK, which is a bit of a shame, but they do come with some fantastic features. Of course, these are the next version after the Galaxy Buds Plus, which came out last year, and the Galaxy Buds Live, which also came out last year as well. But these are basically an accumulation of both. They're the best of the bunch, and of course, do they earn that Pro title is the very good question. So we'll just go through some of the specs that you can get on these Samsung Galaxy Buds. So we have two-way speakers, which have a rich sound. We've got active noise cancellation on these headphones. There's 5 to 18 hours of playback time, so that's 5 hours on the actual buds themselves, and then 18 hours of extra playback time using the case that's provided as well. And then we've also got IPX7 water and dust resistant, and that's the first buds that do actually have this rating on them. So if you go to the gym or you go outside in the rain, that shouldn't be a problem at all for these buds. Okay, so without further ado, what you've all come to this video for, let's unbox these buds and see what we actually get inside. So taking off the cover, we have the usual books and stuff in the top. These are just the general little quick demonstration of how to actually put the buds in your ears, but then the usual books and stuff which you can just disregard and chuck to the side, because I think we already know how Galaxy Buds work at the moment. So next in the box we get the Galaxy Buds themselves. We'll put them to the side for now and then see what else we get in the box here. So we have this little box which you can open like so, and we've got the USB-C to USB-A cable, and I'll just take that out now. So yeah, USB-C to USB-A, and of course, yeah, as always, you've never got a charger in these Galaxy Buds Pro, so it just comes with the cable itself. Put that to the side. We've also got this little small box here, and that's super important, so make sure you don't lose that when you do your unboxing yourself. But if you open up this box, there is some extra earpieces or ear tips, if you like, in here. So we've got large, and we've also got small as well, and medium are apparently fitted onto the actual Galaxy Buds Pro themselves. Now for the main event, getting into the Galaxy Buds Pro themselves. So we take off the packaging, and of course we've got the similar designed casing to the Galaxy Buds Live from last year, although it does come in this lovely black or matte black finish, which looks really nice. And of course it's got a lip around the side all the way around, so it is really easy to actually open the case itself. Flip the case open, and it comes with the Galaxy Buds Pro inside, and of course they're really nice in this actual design. They've got fantastic magnets in this box, which is really good, and then flick them down and they turn off. Of course, as always, we've got the battery indicator here, and we've also got the battery indicator here to show that they are pairing as well. The case is really nice. I'm noticing already they're very different to the Galaxy Buds Plus, which I am currently using. The actual top is weighted a bit differently, so when you actually do flick them, it has a really satisfying clamshell down, and also how it comes up nicely on the top there as well. That is a really nice feature of the Galaxy Buds Pro. So to charge these, we do, as I mentioned before, have USB-C, which is just on the top of the case here, located on the back, but they also have wirelessly charging, which you can do from the bottom as well. So just sit them on a wireless charger and they'll start charging as of previous generations of the Galaxy Buds. Okay, we've done this many times before, but I'm just going to show you quickly the demonstration of how we actually set up the Galaxy Buds Pro. So obviously we've got the Galaxy Buds Pro here. Flick the case open like so, and immediately on my Galaxy Z Fold 2 we've got the Galaxy Buds Pro detected. click connect, and they should take you through the connecting process. Of course, it loads Galaxy Wearable, and it will just take a few seconds to load up the Galaxy Buds Pro, and like that, we're done immediately. That is the entire setup process for the Galaxy Buds Pro. It literally takes a couple of seconds and you are there, which is fantastic to see. I do think this is for me the first time seeing it, but Samsung have definitely worked on the connectivity issue between the Galaxy Buds Pro and the devices. It just connects absolutely instantaneously, and we're straight into using the Galaxy Buds Pro. And immediately we're connected, and just continue. And that's it, we're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. In a week's time or so, I'll post my full review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. There's a lot to talk about and a lot to think about, so that will be coming in a week's time. If you do have any questions about the Galaxy Buds, do comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.